So today I want to talk about how I made over $2,400 in just 4 hours as a Singaporean small-time YouTuber. So 14 days ago, my mentor Alexa challenged me to really start a in-person masterclass where I'll be talking about my own personal finance, my whole journey, my mindset, my beliefs, everything about YouTube as well, and how I actually got to this place where I'm earning good money, I'm investing my money properly, and how I manage my finances. It's basically going to be a way for people to get a bit of a snapshot of how I think, and most importantly, how they can use this to apply for their own finances as well, right? But you know, of course, people will only look at the money, right? People are only interested in how much money and how the view is at the top, but nobody really talks about the climb and how you suffered and how much effort and difficulty there was to reach the top where you can get the nice view at the top of the mountain, right? So I'm here to unveil everything to let you guys know a little bit about the struggle. So funny thing was, the masterclass almost didn't happen because 6 days before the actual masterclass, I realized that I only had 3 sign-ups even though I buffered like 20 seats. So I thought more people would come in, and it was kind of freaking me out a little bit because my ego couldn't take it. I spent 3 years doing YouTube. I did all these things, you know, I'm filming my YouTube video even during my off time or my resting kind of periods, and yet I only had 3 sign-ups, and my ego couldn't take it because I was like, wow, cannot be, right? Nobody is interested to pay money to listen to what I have to say. A little bit arrogant to think about it that way, but you have to be delusional enough to think and know that you are worth the money and you are worth it, especially for someone like me who have been distilling all my information, my knowledge, everything on YouTube for free for so many years. People have probably seen my YouTube videos if they type into personal finance or investing, especially in Singapore. So the long story short was my ego couldn't take it, and I had a plan in my head. I was going to cancel the whole thing. I was going to say it's a family emergency, right? I'll refund everyone their money, no worries, I won't scam you of your money, and just cancel it entirely because my ego couldn't take it. And that's why it's so important to have such a strong support system, because my mentor Alexa was just telling me, people always wait to the last minute to sign up anyway, right? Just relax, focus on what you're doing, continue promoting about the masterclass, and continue working on the masterclass. So that support system is really important because you have someone who believes in you, you have someone who is a few steps ahead of you and can give you the proper guidance. Wow, super life game changer. I almost shut it down due to my own ego and insecurities, but luckily I didn't. So I stuck to it and I continued doing all these things, but you can see all the struggle, all the emotional turmoil that I was going through just to launch this masterclass, right? And it was quite stressful because I had to do 2 things at one time. I need to prepare for the masterclass, plus I needed to promote it on Instagram and stuff like that. And all that just gave me a lot of stress because it felt like I was doing so many things at one time. But the struggles we go through is so important, even though in the moment itself, it doesn't really feel very good, right? It feels really bad actually. But the main point was, I learned so much from this whole journey because I hosted the masterclass. I actually enjoyed it quite a bit, right? I was stressed out, I was tired, but all in all, I felt like when I really got into the flow, I really got into the zone, I could actually talk to people, engage people properly, and really just distill some of my knowledge and experience over the last 5 to 7 years of investing into something that people can really understand and take away. And the difficulty also continued even after the class because I sent the feedback form out, right? And people were giving me feedback on the class itself. Of course, this is my first class, it was nowhere near perfect. I expected things to be a little bit better, but some of the things I failed at was time management. Didn't have enough time to cover a lot of the options part, which I think for those people who only came for the options part, they were a little bit disappointed, right? I'm sorry for that, I tried my best, but it is what it is, right? The first class is usually like that. But for the people who came and you gave me a chance, I will forever be grateful for that because it means the world to me that I can do something like that. And opening up this whole masterclass really just changed things for me. Like, the money was, of course, $2,400 in 4 hours. It was great, but the money wasn't the main takeaway. The main takeaway was actually the person that I was becoming through this whole struggle of second-guessing myself, actually crafting out a masterclass, distilling the information and knowledge that I have into learnable concepts that people can understand, and really to emphasize on what are the things that are so important that people have to learn before they embark on this personal finance journey, or to properly embark on this personal finance journey. There's so much in here that I never realized, and it kind of unlocked, almost as if my IQ increased, and it unlocks so many concepts, so many thought processes just through this interaction with people and learning how to properly distill these concepts to others. Wow, it's such a powerful journey that I can't even, describe it. The financial side of things was part of the win, but the real win was the person that I was becoming on the other side of this whole struggle, which was I learned to overcome my fears. I learned to push forward despite having overcoming my fears. And I learned to do so many things. I learned to promote shamelessly on Telegram, on Instagram, and on YouTube like crazy, right? I learned how to use Instagram stories to really engage my audience. And the thing that I've been saying a lot as well, I learned how to distill all my knowledge to teach people about it and to say it in a way that people can understand. And most importantly, I learned time management as well. I wanted to do so many things, I wanted to over-deliver, and because I over-delivered, I ran past the time and I couldn't go deep into some of the topics that I was really passionate about and people were interested in. So perhaps I can do a little bit less concepts and I can actually focus things a little bit more. In fact, it has really inspired me to actually craft the next class, which is the selling options masterclass, which I haven't quite released yet, but I have a waiting list down below in the description box if you are interested. I only pre-sold the early bird seats and already 10 to 11 was already sold out already. So I only have about 9 to 10 seats that's available. So if you're interested, you can sign up through the waitlist in the description box down below. I'll reach out to you guys so that we can kind of get things going a little bit. But all that was learned from the masterclass itself, and I'm so glad that I actually conquered and moved forward with my fears to overcome this struggle, because this was such a big thing for me. And to overcome so much in such a short period of time, in 14 days, it really pushed me way past my limits. And I made such a giant leap in my YouTube business because it opened up a whole new revenue. I could do classes like this forever. I could craft different types of classes for people. I could hold events for people. I can go into mentoring people as well. I was thinking about having coaching calls for the people who finish my classes. They need some more help, and that's where they can find further help as well. I can earn money by helping people and also contribute to their lives as well, which is so freaking meaningful, right? It's not all about just the money. Of course, I want it to be worth my time. This is going to be a YouTube business, right? I want to earn $10 million in 3 years' time, and I'm only going to get there by helping 100,000 Singaporeans become millionaires, right? It's not about me anymore, but it's about me bringing all these people along on my journey to be able to help them have a positive impact and influence and be able to earn money on top of it. That's the most important thing in my YouTube business right now. So of course, me ranting about all this doesn't help you guys as much, right? But what I want to say is bringing it back to whatever you guys are struggling with right now. Every one of us are human, right? Wherever we are in terms of net worth, our job, our income, whatever it is, you will definitely have a problem and a struggle in your life. Something that you are currently struggling with in terms of your problem. We all have it, right? So I want you to think about that and really reflect on things a little bit more, even though it is a hard time, it is a difficult time. So even though your fear and your struggle may not be the same as me in terms of this masterclass, it may come in the form of maybe struggling to save money so that you can have more money to invest, starting to learn about investing so that you can, have leverage over your money. It could also be learning to sell options or whatever it is that you're currently struggling with. It's because it's the first time that you're doing this. That's why it's difficult. And you would think that the real win or the real result, right, is how good that you can execute this problem and solve this problem itself. But the real win doesn't even come from that. The real win is the person that you become in the process of this whole struggle. The personal development part is the most important thing. Because as I'm going through all these things, all my struggles from before, I realized that the power was me becoming more resourceful, me learning how to trust myself more, me learning how to be more courageous in spite of feeling all this fear, so that whenever future struggles come towards me, I'll be able to overcome them no problem. So this is the true result of overcoming a struggle that is really plaguing you right now. And I really urge you guys to go towards, like what my mentor Alexa said, I really urge you guys to go towards the things that make you feel uncertain, the things that make you feel uncomfortable and scared, because that's an indication of growth. It's literally a bullseye right there telling you that if you overcome this thing, you're going to grow so much and you're going to achieve so much more in your life in a very short time if you're willing to face this momentary discomfort, because on the other side of those things will be your growth, will be your success, will be your future that you are procrastinating for so long. Whatever that you really wanted is behind that struggle. So if you think about it this way, you frame it this way, then shouldn't you run towards the things that make you the most uncomfortable, right? It's as simple as that, right? It's not easy, but it's fairly simple. Whatever that you're struggling with, the other side is the future that you want. So you should continue to go towards the things that make you feel uncomfortable, make you feel stressed. And hopefully my little rant today has helped to inspire you guys a little bit, because it's certainly been a struggle for me in the last 2 weeks. My blood pressure, as I said as well, has been increasing, but it's calmed down a little bit once I finish everything else. And this whole reflection has really made me feel like, wow, this whole journey of YouTube has been a very fruitful, very stressful, very tiring, humbling, but yet a very, very fulfilling and enjoyable experience. Sometimes it gives me a little bit too much stimulation that I can't even fall asleep. And that's honestly what I hope for you guys as well. To have the courage to build a life that you really feel excited for, that you can wake up to every single day and really do the things that really light you up. I really, really wish the same for each and every one of you. I was very lucky. I tried so many things. I was talking to Benedict, one of the guys who came from my class the other time, was that it's literally the game of life. It is to try a lot of things until you find that thing that really, really lights you up. And then you just go all in and double down on it. You can kind of feel it when your gut feeling will tell you, like, I enjoy YouTube. You guys can probably tell from my consistency, from my energy, and from me consistently putting out content about how to help you guys, how to improve your personal finance and investing. All these things is very, very hard to fake, right? You can fake it for a while, but it's very hard to fake for a long period of time. You can probably feel my passion. I'm just here talking in the middle of Tampines Hub, and you guys are kind of listening to me at the same time. Right, I don't know which part of this video by now, this rant is probably going on quite a bit. But if that's something that you're interested in, I think really go towards it. Right, I'm also going to be launching my next class, which is the Selling Options Masterclass. And I'm thinking about putting it somewhere in July. Like what I mentioned just now, there's only about 9 to 10 seats available. So if that's something that you're interested in, you can click the link down in the description box below. Or if you feel like you haven't learned enough to try options yet, and you still feel like you want to be learning things on your own time first, right? You can also join my free Telegram chat group, which is down below in the description box as well, right? So I have something free, I have something paid. Whatever it is in your journey, you can just join me whenever you feel ready for it, right? Yeah, that's all I have for today. So if you enjoyed this video right here, you'll probably enjoy this video right here as well. Thanks for watching, have an amazing day as usual, and I'll see you guys in the next few videos. Bye bye.